Hello! Good morning!
What's up?
Hi guys, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my little English page. So, you've probably guessed from the intro that today we're having a look at different ways to greet someone. Hi! Hello! Hey there! You could also say, hi there! Yo! Okay, this is very informal, but you could say yo to a friend. Depending on the time of the day, you could very well say morning or afternoon. This is obviously the shorter version of good morning and good afternoon. How are things? Which is the short version of how are things with you? It's so good to see you. What's new? Or what's up? And if you want to go even less formal, you can say what up? Cool fact! Do you guys remember Budweiser? They made a pretty cool commercial quite a while back, I can't remember, but in the whole commercial they would just go around saying what's up? Well, that's for what's up. How is it going? And the last one is one of my favorite. It is how are you doing? How are you doing? But if you watch Friends, you know that it should be pronounced how you doing? Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that now you have enough ways of saying hello so that you don't always repeat the same vocabulary. Remember, diversity is the key. This is how you're going to reach fluency. Now don't forget to follow My Little English page on Facebook, on Instagram, on the blog, but also to press the bell button on YouTube. That way you'll get a notification next time I post a video. As you also know, I now publish a magazine every month. It is targeting teachers and students to help you improve your English in a way that is very fun and interactive. You can get the very first copy for free, so, you know, take advantage of it. All you have to do is check the description below. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, keep on learning. Bye bye. Was it Budweiser? I think it was Budweiser, yeah. Budweiser, is it Budweiser or Budweiser?
Budweiser.
Remember Budweiser? Budweiser?
Budweiser.
Wiser?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you guys remember Budweiser?
Sorry.
Is it Budweiser or Budweiser? It's Budweiser!
You got it right.